You've heard my story. I had a lifetime of inflammation in my body. My intestines were in distress and full of disease cells. I was in trouble, and I knew I needed help. I needed to heal my gut. So, among other things, I started drinking bone broth, and it changed my life. Maybe even saved it. So here are my top 7 reasons why making bone broth can be a game changer in your diet. Number 1, anti-inflammatory effects. Bone broth is a nutritional powerhouse rich in collagen derived from the bones, marrow, and connective tissue of the animal. When cooked, collagen transforms into gelatin, which is high in the amino acid glycine. Glycine has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, supporting heart and liver health, improving sleep, reducing the risk of diabetes, and preventing muscle loss. Consuming bone broth with its gelatin-like consistency can help reduce inflammation in our joints and our gut. It also promotes tissue rebuilding and overall well-being. Number 2, weight management. Bone broth is a low-calorie food that helps you feel full due to its gelatin content. By attracting and holding liquid in the gut, bone broth aids in proper nutrition and supports healthy bowel movements. Including bone broth in your diet can help manage weight by reducing overall caloric intake and providing essential nutrients. Number 3, joint health. The connective tissue in bone broth adds glucosamine to your diet, among other things. This nutrient is a well-known dietary supplement for arthritis and joint pain. These compounds can improve joint and skin health, reduce symptoms of osteoarthritis, and support tissue rebuilding. Incorporating bone broth into your routine can be beneficial for maintaining healthy joints and supporting overall mobility. Number 4, bone health. Bone broth contains essential minerals like calcium and phosphorus, which are vital for maintaining strong bones. It also contains sodium, magnesium, and potassium, further contributing to bone health. Regular consumption of bone broth can provide these nutrients necessary for maintaining bone density and overall bone health. Number 5, sleep and brain function. Bone broth's essential amino acid, glycine, has been shown to improve sleep quality. It acts as a natural sleep aid. It also helps to enhance memory, mood, and supports the liver's natural ability to detoxify itself. Although not considered an essential amino acid since the body can produce it on its own, our bodies often fall short of daily glycine requirements. Bone broth provides a rich source of glycine, helping to support sleep and brain function. Number 6, warding off chronic disease. Bone broth plays a crucial role in our gut health. A healthy gut lining acts as a barrier, resisting harmful substances from entering our bloodstream. Increased intestinal permeability, or sometimes called leaky gut, can lead to inflammation and dysfunction throughout our body, contributing to chronic diseases such as heart disease, bowel disorders, neurodegenerative conditions, and autoimmune diseases. Bone broth's glutamine content supports intestinal health, while its zinc content boosts the immune system. And its B12 assists in energy production and helps prevent us from feeling tired and weak. And the number 7 reason why making bone broth can be a game changer in your diet? It's easy to make. You can easily get bones from your local butcher or farmer. Just make sure they're from grass-fed and pasture-raised animals. Bones are also incredibly affordable, and they offer a wide range of benefits as we talked about, all with minimal effort. I'll show you how in the next class with my 7 simple steps for making life-changing bone broth while you sleep. A game changer for your immune system, your gut health, your joints and muscles, and, well, overall well-being. I'll see you in the next class.